unboxing of the Vont 2-pack LED camping lanterns, which we're going to use tonight while camping. Inside the box, they give you 2 sets of AA batteries that you need for each lantern. They give you the 2 lanterns, and again, they just slide right open and down. So you just pull it out to turn them on, and then you can reduce the brightness by just leaving it wherever you want. And on the bottom, you just unscrew that, and that's where the batteries go. So it looks pretty good. We're going to use them tonight while camping, and we'll give you a full review. So Zach and I are glamping tonight, and we're using the Vont lanterns in the tent. We have 4 of them total. But I wanted to show you the one that's mounted to the top. We just took a D-clamp. We mounted it to the top, and it lights up the whole tent very well. Very, very well. We have the other 3 on as well. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to turn off all 3. We're just going to go with that one and show you how bright it is. Here's what it looks like with just the one on top, again hanging by a D-clamp. Definitely bright enough. That's with it fully extended for full lumens, but it does a very nice job. Zach, how are we doing tonight, bud? All right, you enjoy camping out in the yard? Great. So you're gonna videotape this in the shadows here, but they have these handles and you just pop them right up, and you can hang these literally anywhere or just hold them by hand. The way that you turn them on is you just pull the bottom. I'll do it with my feet. That's all the way up. And if you want less light, you just kind of push it down just to the amount of light you want. So that'd be about the least bright that you can do. And it runs all through the night. But these lanterns have been amazing. We packed up outside. We were watching a movie. We had an outdoor screen. I used this lantern to go back and forth for the house to put that away. Lit up everything. It did a great job. So we will show you outside and what it looks like with this lantern if you're toting it around. Alright, so we have the lantern here, and if we hold it towards the ground, you can see it really gets a lot of light around here. The camera again is dimmer than what the light is. The GoPro's just not really good at picking up light. Just for reference, there's the leftover fire that we had earlier. And if you put the lantern there, you can see everything right there. So the lantern definitely is great if you're walking around and trying to see things right there. So overall, it's just a great lantern. Again, you can turn down the brightness by pushing it down. Even at smaller brightnesses, you can see the ground. Again, it's not showing on the camera yet, but it does a very nice job. You can definitely see all around you, even at a lower brightness setting. So, good enough to go walk around in the campground and see around you. As you saw, we used these Vont camping lanterns last night. They're great. I really highly recommend them. Pros, easy to use, easy to turn on. Again, you just push up the top for full brightness, and then if you want to reduce it, you just kind of scrunch them down. Using them outside, honestly, I wish my camera picked up a little bit better. They were brighter than what you saw, but they do work, definitely. They give you about a 10-foot radius around wherever you're using them, and I use them to basically take down some things outside before we slept in for the night. But yeah, excellent buy. Cons, the only con I would say is that if you want to use these in different situations, they don't have a magnetic base like others do, but these are supposedly the original creators of this LED lantern. So, magnetic base, and also it'd be nice, I don't have a problem with using AA's, but it'd be nice to see a model where you could charge it with micro USB, because I know that I use my solar battery that charges USB, and it'd be nice to be able to recharge these. However, I will say that we left one on top of the tent all night long that you saw last night. We left that on all through the morning, and that thing was still going. It had no problems. So it would last a long time on AA batteries, but it would be nice to have a rechargeable feature. If you would like to buy the Vont LED camping lantern, we'll leave a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own. Every purchase helps support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.